Hello, I'm Dan Alford. Welcome to the Arc Specialties Weld of the Week. This week we're talking about plasma welding. If you listen to the Arc Specialties Weld of the Week, you've heard about all the advantages of plasma welding. For example, it has a columnated arc, which means it doesn't diverge, so the cathode spot size remains constant, independent of torch height. You also have much higher current density, so we have higher heat energy in the weld. And we also have the ability to use powdered filler materials, which means you can mix metals. For example, you can mix carbides with low melting point matrix materials. And finally, one of the big advantages is we have a shrouded electrode, which is protected from contamination. So if you'd like to learn more about the technology behind plasma welding, we're going to post some links in the description as well as the end of this episode. But the point of today's episode is to expand on the application of the plasma welding process. Plasma torches are big and bulky, so most applications require a lot of clearance around the torch. But frequently in my world, welds are produced in confined spaces. The solution, of course, is smaller torches. Today's video, we're going to be showcasing one of Jean-Marc's PT36 internal torches. Our goal today is to demonstrate we can automate a manual shielded metal arc or stick welding process. The alloy is an ER-CoCr A, cobalt chrome alloy, better known as Stellite. These cobalt-based wear-resistant alloys are not only challenging to weld, they're also very expensive, at over 50 times the cost of mild steel. It always amazes me when people weld these expensive alloys using stick welding when you consider the stub loss and all the other inefficiencies of the process. I'm even more surprised when welders are asked to reach inside parts preheated to over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is kind of like working inside an oven. So this is a great application for a robot and a great application for plasma welding. The Arc on video today was shot with a different camera, Tom Daly with Intertest, brought by his WeldEye 625 HD camera. This camera is only 5/8 of an inch in diameter and less than 3 inches long. It's a perfect camera for confined spaced welding. If you want to learn more about plasma welding and its application, check out our Plasma University as well as our various plasma welding application videos on YouTube. We look forward to posting new episodes of the Arc Specialties Weld of the Week. If you're one of the thousands of operators of Arc Specialties equipment around the world and you have a weld that you would like to showcase, please contact us. At Arc Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.